Hello, I've stumbled upon a site called Reading Plus. It is a site for students and to work on their reading skills. There's a tab on here for families, and it will tell you kind of what's going on. It says it helps the student become a better reader and a family support for reading to help advance a child's skills, some YouTube videos about how it is and to build better vocabulary. And they will support for home use also. It can be used anywhere on any device with an internet connection. This would be a great one during the summertime to continue to use to help go through and keep those reading skills up. As we all know, students lose a lot of those skills in the summer. So, kind of tells what their lessons are, how they are going, how many words per minute they're reading, if they're reading too fast or too slow. Got a lot of different libraries here to use. There's a home guide for using it at home. So not only can we keep those skills going while you're in the classroom, we can use them at home. There's also a writing portion for the child to become a better writer over what they have read, kind of like the old book reports.